Standing outside looking at the night sky, you might feel perfectly stationary. But hold on tight. You are actually spinning with the Earth's rotation at nearly the speed of sound. Add to that, you are on a planet traveling around the sun at almost 100,000 kilometers per hour. And the entire solar system is orbiting the center of the Milky Way at 720,000 kilometers per hour. Without feeling it, you are blasting through space, and you are on a direct course for our closest neighbor. Andromeda is a massive galaxy containing roughly 1 trillion stars, and the Milky Way is falling right into it. An asteroid smaller than the island of Manhattan was enough to wipe out the dinosaurs. We are about to plow head-on into an entire galaxy. When you picture trillions of stars, planets, and moons hurtling toward each other at over 400,000 kilometers per hour, you naturally expect total, instantaneous destruction. You expect things to smash into each other and rip themselves apart. To understand why a head-on collision between trillions of stars might not end in fire, we have to look past the sheer scale and into the specific mechanics of how these giants interact. Long before any physical impact, the sky would change. You would notice a new, unusually bright star standing out among the rest. Over centuries, its motion against the background would become more obvious as a foreign star system races closer. The invader's gravity would strike first in the Oort cloud, the massive bubble of icy debris surrounding our solar system. The foreign star's gravitational pull would stir up this cosmic debris, launching a devastating surge of comets straight toward Earth. The chaos would then reach our giant outer anchors. The approaching system's gravity would tug on massive planets like Jupiter and Saturn, warping their stable orbits and tearing at our solar system's delicate balance. As those massive planets shift, Earth's own orbit around the sun would warp. The resulting gravitational stress would unleash planetary-scale earthquakes, massive tidal waves, and extreme temperature shifts that destroy the narrow environmental window humanity relies on to survive. If the passing system's pull is strong enough, it acts as a giant slingshot. Earth could be ejected entirely from the solar system, becoming a rogue planet. Left to drift in the dark, surface temperatures would quickly plummet to -50 degrees Celsius, freezing the ocean solid. A star system doesn't have to touch Earth to ruin it. Gravity is a long-range force, fully capable of unraveling our world from millions of miles away. And yet, there is an even more terrifying possibility, a perfect head-on collision between Earth and an incoming exoplanet. Imagine 6,000 billion trillion metric tons of planet slamming into another rock of the exact same size at 400,000 kilometers per hour. The kinetic energy released would be equal to billions of nuclear bombs. The intense heat generated by this impact would instantly melt and vaporize both worlds. Everything that was Earth would be reduced to a massive, churning cloud of superheated rock and glowing gas. Or consider the ultimate cosmic vacuum, the monster black hole sitting at the center of Andromeda. With a mass of 140 million suns, it could easily swallow our solar system without leaving a single trace. While these apocalyptic scenarios are mechanically accurate for a direct impact, the physical reality of a galaxy is defined by something much larger than the matter within it. To understand what will actually happen, you have to grasp stellar geography. Space is incredibly empty. The average distance between individual stars is roughly 47 trillion kilometers. If you shrank Earth down to the size of a microscopic virus, our entire solar system would be about the size of a golf ball. At that exact same microscopic scale, the Milky Way galaxy would stretch across the entire continent of North America. Now, what are the odds of 2 golf balls flying at each other from opposite coasts of the United States and colliding perfectly in midair? Even when you scale it up to trillions of star systems, the math holds. Galaxies are overwhelmingly made of nothing. The space between the matter is so vast that the star systems will simply slide right past one another. As the Milky Way and Andromeda rip through one another, our solar system won't be shattered. Instead, we will be quietly pulled into a brand new, stable orbit within the combined galaxy. This cosmic merger settles into a quiet rearrangement. Over billions of years, the night sky will expand into a panoramic, luminous star field known as Milkdromeda, a testament to how much emptiness truly exists within the universe's most powerful event.